Hello and welcome to LearnAakash. Today now we are focusing about nested if statement. Now so let's open idle. Nested if statement is just a lots of if else statements. Now let's try one program. Let it's called the logging program. Now you need to know that how we are going to deal with this program. In this program we are going to take input in a string as a username and password, and we will check the condition. Now let's write login system. Yeah, now let's take the input and save it on the name user. Let's make it with small letter. And we know that input function takes the default value as in string. Please enter the username. Yep, and let's take another input as a password. Now let's check the condition with a nested if statement. If user equals to LearnAakash. Now if the user is LearnAakash, then this code will execute. If it's not, then else part of code will be executed. Now let's try if password equal to, let's keep it secret because it's very secret. Print access granted. Now if the password is secret, then it prints access granted. Please careful of this space, else let's print it as incorrect password. Now the user LearnAakash done. Now let's indent it. Yeah, that's right. Now if now let's try with admin. If user equals to admin, and we have learned that logical operator and or not. Let's try with and. Now if user equals to admin and password equals to admin, if both conditions are true, then only it will going to be executed, else it will not execute. Let's print access granted. Now let's create another elif. If a user equals to guest, let's create one guest account. Don't forget column. Let's check that if password equals to guest. Now if the password is guessed, then only it is going to run. Now let's try it with or password equals to guessed. Print access granted. Now let's focus on about the intent space else print access denied. Okay, now at last let's create else. If the username and password is incorrect, then let's print that incorrect username and password. Incorrect username or password. Okay, and at last let's write the input function. Please press any key to exit. Now let's save it to the desktop. Python. Let's write it with log.py. Now press F5 to run. Invalid syntax. Okay, here we need to write double equal to. Now let's run. Yeah, let's try admin. The password admin, since we know that since the username admin and password is admin, it didn't work in this one. That's why it prints the else condition. Now let's run it with from here. Let's enter LearnAakash and password secret. Access granted. You can just try with the guess as well. Access granted. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.